What is the national currency of India? Option A, Rupaya. B, Indian rupees. C, Peso. D, Euro. Answer is Indian rupees. Which is the national animal of India? Option A, camel. B, sheep. C, tiger. D, lion. Answer, tiger. Which is the national bird of India? Option A, peacock. B, crow. C, eagle. D, hen. Answer, peacock. Which is the heritage animal of India? Option A, tiger. B, elephant. C, lion. D, camel. Answer, elephant. Which is the national flower of India? Option A, hibiscus. B, sunflower. C, lotus. D, rose. Answer is option C, lotus. Which is the national fruit of India? Option A, coconut. B, banana. C, jackfruit. D, mango. The correct answer is option D, mango. Which is the capital of India? Option A, New Delhi. B, Mumbai. C, Bengaluru. D, Kolkata. The correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Who is the first Prime Minister of India? Option A, Indira Gandhi. B, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. C, Narendra Modi. D, Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer is option D, Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is the father of India? Option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. B, Gandhiji. C, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. D, Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer is Gandhiji. Which is the continent of India? Option A, Africa. B, Europe. C, Asia. D, North America. The answer is option C, Asia. Which is the national anthem of India? Option A, Jana Gana Mana. B, Vande Mataram. C, Kwame Tarana. D, March of the Volunteers. The correct answer is option A, Jana Gana Mana. Which is the national song of India? Option A, Jana Gana Mana. B, Vande Mataram. C, Mili Tarana. D, Sare Jahan Se Acha. Answer is Vande Mataram. What is the motto of India in national emblem? Option A, Jai Hind. B, Hindustan Hamara. C, Bharat Mata Ki Jai. D, Satyamev Jayate. Answer option D, Satyamev Jayate. How many lions are there in the national emblem of India? Option A, 4. B, 3. C, 6. D, 5. The answer is option A, 4. Which is the national calendar of India? Option A, Gregorian calendar. B, Hindu calendar. C, Shaka calendar. D, Hijri calendar. Answer is option C, Shaka calendar. Who composed the national anthem of India? Option A, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. B, Rabindranath Tagore. C, Mahatma Gandhi. D, Subhash Chandra Bose. The answer is option B, Rabindranath Tagore. Who composed the national song of India? Option A, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. B, Rabindranath Tagore. C, Narasimha Mehta. D, Subhash Chandra Bose. Correct answer is option A, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Which is the national aquatic animal of India? Option A seal, B starfish, C Ganga river dolphin, D blue whale. Answer is C Ganga river dolphin. Which is the national vegetable of India? Option A tomato, B cabbage, C potato, D pumpkin. The correct answer is option D pumpkin. Which is the national flag of India? Option A Tiranga, B Union Jack, C Stars and Stripes, D Sinha flag. Answer option A Tiranga. Which is the national reptile of India? Option A turtle, B lizard, C king cobra, D python. The correct answer is option C king cobra. Which is the national tree of India? Option A apple tree, B mango tree, C coconut tree, D banyan tree. The correct answer is option D banyan tree. How many states in India? Option A 29, B 28, C 27, D 26. The correct answer is option B 28. Who is the first president of India? Option A Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B Jawaharlal Nehru, C Mahatma Gandhi, D Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The correct answer is option A Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who is the first education minister of India? Option A Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, C Jawaharlal Nehru, D Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The correct answer is option B Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad.